Once the project has been set up, all the reporting can be done by some AI. So they're starting along the way. But there's still many other things managers do, which for the short term at least AIs can't do. Some robots are able to do some management tasks already, because a lot of people are managed by project management systems, and so there are some AIs that can now run some of these project management systems. So it's not yet making the goals, but once the project has been set up, all the reporting can be done by some AI. So they're starting along the way. But there's still many other things managers do, which for the short term at least AIs can't do. The jobs that are most likely to be redundant are the ones in which humans are behaving like robots already. In other words, they're doing the same thing again and again. They're repeating and repeating, and it might be complicated things they're repeating, but if it can be repeated, then the robots can come along and do the job more reliably without breaking down. So the jobs that are most likely to be made redundant are the ones that are most like robotic already. But increasingly, even the jobs with creativity and care and compassion are likely to be changed, slightly longer term. If you look at a job like a doctor, many things that a doctor do could be done by an AI already in terms of understanding all the different possible diseases. There's something like 10,000 different diseases and 10,000 different drug combinations you could use. How can a doctor keep on top of all of that? An AI could do that much better. In terms of reassuring the patient and putting their arm on the shoulder and saying, you'll be fine, trust me, maybe that's a bit harder, but we'll have the compassionate artificial intelligence doing that in due course too. So I go with the prediction that one of the Americans' leading venture capitalists, Vinod Khosla, made a while back, that by 2025, 80% of what doctors currently do will be done better by AIs. Not that they'll all be out of jobs, of course. So there still will be doctors, but they'll be doing things differently.